Hello, clarinet players. We're going to be going through Jolly Old St. Nicholas today, all the way through. This will be part 1 and part 2 recordings. Here we go. So the first thing we need to talk about is the fact that there are 3 distinct parts that go from beginning to end. The A part goes from here back to the beginning and then all the way to the end. The B part does the same thing and goes to the end. The C part goes there and then again to the end. This is important because in a real classroom, in a real music performance environment, the A part would be one specific person. The B part would be one specific person or one group, and C would be another group. They would not be the same. So you as a person need to choose which line you want to play. Mr. Butler, what's easiest? I'm glad you asked that. I made a handy chart to show you that in this song, A is the hardest, B is the medium hardest, and C is the easiest. You may be asking yourself, Mr. Butler, I don't know which part to play. Are you going to tell us what to play? No. I'm going to let you decide, and we'll go from there. When you go to record in SmartMusic, make sure that you click on your staff that you are going to be recording into. If you don't click on the appropriate staff, the one that you're trying to actually record into, it will not pick you up and give you the grade that you want. The other thing that you need to understand is that the My part, when it's turned on, plays all 3 parts at the same time. You can't make it just play it one part at a time. That's why I made these YouTube videos, so you could hear the A, B, and the C separately. This song I've alluded to has some repeats to it. So when you go 2 double dots take you back to the beginning. And do it again. Second ending this time. Skip measure 7 and 8. When you hear me perform the song, you'll actually hear me do that, and it will be a little bit less confusing. Just stay tuned. The song is split up in half on purpose, so if you're looking at your part 1 for this recording, you'll see 1, 2, 3, and 4 as being dark, and then 5 all the way through 10 are going to be light gray. That's because I want you to learn the song, get used to this recording process, and then for the part 2, put the rest of the song in there. Measure 5 through 8 is a different challenge, and measure 9 and 10 is a different ending. So you're going to need some time to really bake on these first 4 measures to make sure they sound great before you try to do the repeat and before you try to do the second ending. In other words, I feel like this is going to help you the best to learn it and be solid as you go to record. Okay, so I've clicked on my A part, made sure my cursor's on it. I'm going to hit record and play the A part. This will be all the way through with both repeats. And now I've got my B part highlighted, and we're going to record the B part all the way through from beginning to end. And then finally, I have my C part highlighted, and we're going to record the C part from beginning to end. Here we go. really look forward to hearing you playing Jolly Old St. Nicholas. Remember that I am an editing master. I'll be able to make sure that any squawks or squeaks that happen that you don't necessarily want to be in there, I can pull those out. I'm probably going to do it in this video as I'm editing my stuff. I had a couple places where I messed up a couple times, so I may pull that out of the sound. We'll see. But for yours, I definitely will. Anyway, you guys are awesome. Thank you for making it this far. I hope you have a lot of fun with it. I can't wait to hear it. Bye-bye.